Incredible memory. Elephants are known for their remarkable memory. They can remember the locations of water sources and recognize individual humans and other elephants even after many years. This trait is crucial for their survival in the wild, helping them navigate and find resources in vast landscapes. Complex social structure. Elephants have a sophisticated social structure, often living in matriarchal herds led by the oldest female. These herds are composed of closely related females and their offspring. Male elephants typically leave the herd upon reaching adolescence and may form smaller, less stable bachelor groups. Emotional intelligence. Elephants exhibit a wide range of emotions, including joy, grief, and empathy. They are known to mourn the deaths of their family members, showing behaviors such as touching the bones or standing vigil over the deceased. Communication skills. Elephants communicate through a variety of sounds, from low-frequency rumbles that can travel long distances to trumpets and roars. They also use body language, touch, and seismic signals of vibrations through the ground to convey messages to each other. Exceptional trunk versatility. The elephant's trunk is an extraordinary tool, capable of performing both delicate and powerful tasks. It is used for feeding, drinking, greeting, and even as a snorkel when swimming. The trunk has around 40,000 muscles, allowing for a wide range of movements and functions. Zebra. Wonders of zebra. Unique stripe patterns. Each zebra has a unique pattern of black and white stripes, much like human fingerprints. These stripes are thought to serve several purposes, including camouflage, social bonding, and deterring biting flies. Social structure and behavior. Zebras are highly social animals that live in groups called harems, consisting of one stallion, several mares, and their offspring. These groups form strong social bonds, with members grooming each other and standing guard to protect against predators. Adaptability and migration. Zebras are incredibly adaptable and can thrive in various environments, from savannas to mountainous regions. Some zebra species, like the plain zebra, undertake long migrations in search of food and water, demonstrating remarkable endurance and navigational skills. Communication skills. Zebras communicate through a range of vocalizations, body postures, and facial expressions. They use sounds such as barks, whinnies, and snorts to convey different messages, while ear and tail movements signal their mood and intentions to other herd members. Speed and agility. Zebras are known for their speed and agility, which are crucial for escaping predators. They can run at speeds of up to 65 kilometers per hour, 40 miles per hour, and can make sharp turns to evade threats. Their powerful legs and strong hooves also serve as effective defense mechanisms. Rhinos are one of the most fascinating creatures on our planet. These mighty animals are known for their thick, armor-like skin and impressive horns. There are 5 species of rhinos, and they can be found in Africa and Asia. Despite their tough appearance, rhinos are gentle herbivores, munching on grass, leaves, and fruits. Rhinos love to roll in the mud. This isn't just for fun. The mud acts like sunscreen and insect repellent. Sadly, rhinos are endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these magnificent giants for future generations. Isn't it amazing how these gentle giants have roamed the earth for millions of years? Let's do our part to keep them safe. Tiger. Wonders of tiger. Unique stripes. Tigers have distinctive stripe patterns that are unique to each individual, much like human fingerprints. These stripes provide camouflage in their natural habitats, breaking up their outline among trees, tall grass, and underbrush, making it easier for them to stalk and ambush prey. Powerful predators. Tigers are apex predators with incredible strength and hunting skills. They possess powerful muscles, especially in their forelimbs, which allow them to tackle large prey. They are also excellent swimmers and can cover great distances in pursuit of food, often taking down prey much larger than themselves. Solitary and territorial. Unlike many big cats, tigers are solitary animals. They establish and maintain large territories, which they mark with scent markings and vocalizations to ward off intruders. These territories can span hundreds of square kilometers, depending on the availability of prey and the density of the tiger population. Vocal communication. Tigers have a wide range of vocalizations used for communication, including roars, growls, chuffs, and moans. Their roar can be heard up to 3 kilometers, 1.8 miles, away, and serves to establish territory and communicate with other tigers. The chuff, a friendly greeting sound, is often used between tigers during social interactions. Pandas are one of nature's most adorable creatures. Known for their distinctive black and white fur, these gentle giants are native to the bamboo forests of China. Despite their size, pandas are peaceful and spend most of their day munching on bamboo, their favorite food. Pandas have a playful side too. They love to climb trees and tumble around, showcasing their fun-loving nature. Sadly, pandas are endangered due to habitat loss, but conservation efforts are helping to protect these precious animals. Isn't it fascinating how these gentle creatures have captured hearts worldwide with their cuddly appearance and gentle demeanor? Let's support efforts to keep pandas safe and thriving.